Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring small bathroom designs ideas that will help you maximizing space and style in your comfort. Compact bathroom. Small bathroom can present unique challenges, but with the right decision choices, you can create a functional and visual appealing space. Join us as we dive into the world of small bathroom designs, from clever storage solutions to smart lighting techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's get started. Planning and layout. When working with a small bathroom, careful planning and layout are essential. We will discuss space optimization strategies such as utilizing vertical storage and considering compact fixtures and rethinking the placement of key elements. Discover how to create an efficient and well organized layout that maximizes every inch of your small bathroom. Creative storage solutions. Storage is often a challenge in small bathroom. We will explore creative storage solutions including recessed shelves and wall-mounted cabinets and over-the-toilet organizers. Discover how to make the most of vertical shape, utilize interesting storage, and incorporate multifunctional furniture to keep your bathroom essentials organized and easily accessible. Lighting and mirrors. Lighting and mirrors plays a crucial role in creating an illusion of space and enhancing the overall ambience of small bathroom. We will discuss lighting techniques such as overhead lighting, sconces, and LED strips, as well as the strategic placement of mirrors to reflect light and create a sense of openness. Discover how to use lighting and mirrors to visually expand your small bathroom. Color and texture. The choice of color and texture can greatly impact the perception of a space. In a small bathroom, we will explore color schemes such as light and neutral tones that can make the room feel more spacious and airy. Additionally, we will discuss the use of textures through tiles, wallpapers, or accent features to add a depth and visual interest to your small bathroom design. Shower and tub options. Choosing the right shower and tub options is a crucial in maximizing space in a small bathroom. We will discuss alternatives such as walk-in showers, corner showers, or compact bathtub designs that are specifically designed for smaller spaces. Discover how to create a luxurious and functional bathing area without compromising on comfort or style. Small bathroom fixtures and accessories. Selecting the right fixture and accessories can make a significant difference in a small bathroom. We will explore space-saving options such as pedestal sinks, wall-mounted toilets, and slim profile faucets. Additionally, we will discuss how to incorporate practical and stylish accessories such as towel racks, hooks, and bathroom organizers that optimize functionality without cluttering the space. Visual tricks and decor. Visual tricks and clever decor choices can create the illusion of a large space into a small bathroom. We will discuss techniques such as using large format tiles, vertical stripes, or mirrors to visually expand the room. Additionally, we will explore decorative elements like artwork, plants, and textiles that add personality and style to your small bathroom design. That concludes our video on small bathroom designs ideas, maximizing your space and style. We hope you have enjoyed inspiration and insights into designing a functional and visually appealing and small bathroom. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are looking for a small bathroom design solution. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and designs ideas. We will see you in the next video.